Hey guys, so if you're a coach or teen mom and you are getting organized for the beginning of your sports season, this is a great spreadsheet for you to use. This is a team roster and practice schedule all in one. This is completely editable and printable so that you can have your roster on paper or on the spreadsheet, and you can also communicate this with your parents as well. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel, and here we go. So first of all, we've got the player name. So we're just going to call him John, and we'll put his jersey number in there. Let's say 98. And then we'll put in his age. He's 12. And then we're just pretending that this is a baseball team, but this sheet will work for any team. You can always delete out all of these positions. And if this is volleyball, if this is soccer, whatnot, this will work for anybody. So, say he is a first baseman, and then the parent, mom and dad, you'll put their names in there. You'll put their phone number in there, their contact information, and any notes. If you want to put your allergies here, if you want to put in, he's able to, switch from left to right hand, if he can do all sorts of things. You can put in any notes here, and if you also needed to add any other columns for your team, you can do that. So just right click at the very top, right click, insert column right, and then whatever column you needed to add, for your team. If you have any special things that you need to keep track of, you can do that here. And then we can also go to the practice schedule. This is great to plan ahead your practices. So let's just put in the date and then the day of the week, and then what time is your practice. And then where is it? I know when my son did travel ball, it was like, well, we're at the same park every time, but what field number are we at? Or sometimes we're at a different park completely, so whatever you needed to write down here as well. And then if you want to go ahead and plan your practice schedule ahead of time, like what are you guys going to be doing this time? You can put that here, whatever works for you. And you can always, put notes. I thought about this, we can add another column here if you wanted to, add something for like snacks. Because that was always such a huge thing, you could just put who's in charge of snacks for that week as well. So if you wanted to add another column, you could. So I left that out, but if that happens to be something, all I have to do is just right click, insert column to the right, drag this back up for whatever reason it's being weird. And then, put in snacks if that is important to you. And you just put in the name, and then you can always, print this out as a PDF. You can download this as an Excel file, screenshot it and send it. Whatever works for you to send this to the teammates and the parents is great. So let me know if you have any questions. This sheet is available again on my website at savvyandthriving.com. And I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day.